profile page template for WordPress and Elementor is what you can find in this video. You can have all 24 templates and can use all 24 templates or choose one of them who suits you the best. Let's take a look how we can use these templates. Okay, our first step, make sure you already logged into your WordPress website just like this. For you who still new to the WordPress CMS or WordPress website, you can find so many tutorial in YouTube about WordPress website. So this is the platform of WordPress website, the dashboard. We want to try to create a new profile page using the templates. So we go to the folder, templates folder here, and then go to save templates. Okay, so as you see here, I already import 6 templates. The name is link in bio, so you can use it as a profile page also, or you can use it as a contact page also. So I want to import templates from my computer. Since I already download these 24 templates, you can download these templates also. Just check the link in the description of this video. And I want to upload the link in bio page number 7 or profile page templates number 7. Open it and then just import now. Okay, after you import this profile page template or link in bio page number 7, we go to a new page to create this special page for this profile page. You just put any title, it is up to you. I just give you an example just like this, profile page template number 7, because I want to create my page as if it is your page. You can put any title as you want. After that, just click this button, edit with Elementor. It will bring us to Elementor Page Builder. Just wait for a little while, and then there you go. Go to the upper side here and then go to click the page setting. Go to the left corner on the below page layout, change this page layout into Elementor canvas. Okay, in the middle of this page layout, make sure you find this folder icon and then click add template and then go to my templates menu. Find the template number 7 just like this, and then go to insert these templates into your WordPress website. There you go. So it is very easy to create a new page, especially a profile page template for your WordPress. So it is a ready-made template, so you can modify, you can change everything in this page, and it is very easy. If you are used to create a page using Elementor, you just have to change anything here. Just click in every section. You can change this title, this hello. Probably if you go to the left side, you want to change it to hi, maybe hi. Okay, okay, okay. You can say that I am let's say that you are hi, I am, maybe you want to put a name Tony Stark. If you are working in Stark Industries, probably you can change the what we call short bio of yourself. And on this design, you can see there are around 6 icon that you can change, or you can put in order. The first, if you want to change the Facebook button, you can just click on the Facebook button here, and then you can put your own Facebook link URL here in this part. Also, if you want to change it into your Instagram, you can put your Instagram link here. If you want to change the icon, probably you want to change this Twitter icon into a LinkedIn, maybe. There you go. You just click the LinkedIn icon here, click insert, so it will be changing to LinkedIn. So you just put the replacement here, just like that. So it is very easy to create a profile page template or a link bio page template using this Elementor template. Okay, we have 24 Elementor templates for profile page or link in bio or maybe contact page. You can choose among that 24 templates. Okay, if you want to find the link to download these templates, just find it in this YouTube video description. I will see you in the next video. We can discuss more about the alternative templates for profile page in your website. I see you in the next video. Thank you very much.